Hi everyone, today I have a warning message for all of you guys about the scammer. I hardly voice over my real voice because my English is not very good, but this videos I'm really urgent to send you off the message to let you know that there are many scammers that try to sell software to you guys, and some of them also use my logo. This is an example of the Telegram group that have my logo and just change a little name. I get it from this YouTube channel. Doesn't have many subscribers, just one, and doesn't have many videos as well, but I don't know why most people doesn't take care of that. I also try to join that Telegram group, but actually he just scammed my customer like $1,000, and now the group is been closed. But I get information from my customer. Here is the screenshot. Actually he used my logo, so there's a real problem for confusions of my customer. And the payment methods, most of the scammer is using the cryptocurrency wallet, but for me I also have the crypto wallet as well, but that is the last choice. Mostly I give my customer to pay by PayPal or Visa card because it's easy to refund. If something is kind of be fake or something else, I always refund to my customer. He also sells a lot of software, and some of the software I even doesn't have, but he have it. I don't know why, because he want to scam a lot of money from the customer. And he also give a lot of discount to the customer if they pay with the crypto wallet. This is the chart that my customer screenshot for me. I even doesn't have a service or the software to fix the Mini 4 Pro sensor error, but this guy have. You have everything if you ask for it. I want to let all of you guys that I have only YouTube channel, no Facebook, no TikTok or anything else, and my channel have 27k subscribers. Thank you for my subscriber too. In my channel I have a lot of videos. I also show the software that I sell, and also some of the tutorial or guideline for fitting the drone. When you click into my videos, I always give my customer to give me the feedback of my service. There are many of the feedback, and some of you guys can say that the comment also can be fake. Yeah, it's true, but you can check each of the people that comment to me, get into their profile and check who is this guy. When he get into the YouTube channel, you can get into their profile and see when he create the YouTube account to join into the YouTube, so you can see it's really fake or not. There are many of the command, you can check it one by one. If the scammer, they really cannot do that at all, because in my videos they have a lot of comment of the feedback of my service, so you need to check before you make a payment to anyone else. Let's check out this one. He also a YouTuber. Thank you for leaving a comment, but I just want to show off you guys how to check if this comment is really fake or not. If you guys want to contact me, please contact is in the description of every video. You can telegrams me or WhatsApps me if you want. And please don't just look at the logo, because my old customer is get scammed by just seeing the logo and thinking that it's me, but actually it's not. It's a scammer, so you need to be careful of them. That's all I want to shout out today, so be careful everyone before you make a payment or contacting anyone that selling a software or doing service. Make sure you check it carefully. Good luck. Thank you.